Messages come in from the world. Some are friendly, some are harmful. If you're a Mimecast customer, instead of items going straight to your environment, they come via ours. This means we can screen every message before it becomes your problem. The moment a connection is established, several layers of security kick in. First, we perform a reputation analysis. We look at where the item is coming from, who it's going to, and whether any existing relationship connects them. Maybe the individuals have sent mail to each other before, or perhaps mail from the sender's server has been delivered into the organization before. What we learn helps determine what further checks to run. We also link up with third-party intelligence services. These people do nothing but monitor malware outbreaks occurring around the world. By adding this intelligence to what we already know, we are able to reject malicious mail before it even enters the Mimecast cloud. Items that make it past this outer border control are then streamed into a series of engines that perform image analysis, viral analysis, and spam analysis. Based on these findings, we'll then either reject the item before you have to take responsibility for it, or accept it. As a final defense, we've also built an automated tool that analyzes everything we've picked up about the message so far. And if any doubt remains about an item, it is then passed to a specialist security unit within Mimecast. Now, the vast majority of rejections occur at this stage or before. That means we have very few items in quarantine, so if a legitimate item is incorrectly classified as spam, you don't have to trawl through huge amounts of junk to find and rescue it. And because it all takes place in the cloud, you can make smarter decisions about where to send messages without wasting bandwidth at a central point. We also have the option to run additional checks. This is particularly useful when it comes to preventing data leaks. If a user attempts to send something that is potentially compromising, Mimecast can notify the sender, their boss, or a compliance officer, who can then make a decision about whether they want to allow the item to leave the cloud. Combined with Mimecast's email continuity service, and all these policies continue to be applied even when you're experiencing outages. And if you add our email archiving service, all your historical email plus forensic metadata about every transmission will be secure and accessible whenever you need it. Email security, another essential service from Mimecast.